Okay, we're at Doug Broadway's work center, and he's going to show us what he has to do when he goes and picks up new jaws to change his setup, and we're going to show you before and after. Okay, now you can see where Doug had to walk around behind the machine. So what he did is a 2-second lean project. He took just a standard work table like here in the picture. He made shelves with a metal backing to where he puts his most used jaws here at the front of the machine. So in what, half the time or less than half the time, your most used tools here saves you time. 2-second lean.